more pressure is fast pass. Fast pass. So that's why you need little
turn around. Yeah, turn around.
Yeah. Next one is slow.
Take it to the tap.
It was supposed to represent how like half of you is manifested in your daughter.
Yeah, right.
Someone manifested all over.
Someone realized they're manifested.
Cookie.
I think it's gonna glow. Day 8.
Then some vegetables, then something. So this is chicken tikka masala, means tikka. Sometimes we need vegetable also. This is chicken. Butter chicken we don't need this.
So that's to make it not stick.
Sorry?
That's so that it doesn't stick?
No, that's we fried in oil because we don't have a fire oven. If we have fire oven, we make all inside. Just we don't use cooker. If we have fire oven, we put it all in the stick like this, and we put inside the fire oven.
Okay.
So we don't need this because we don't have that. That's why we need to fry and we make help for people.
Cigarettes smoking not.
I heard
The young people just smoke.
Is one green onion? Or
Yes,
one green pepper?
one, yeah. You make piece of like this.
They look real stretchy. They stretchy? Put your hand in the pot.
One tomatoes.
It's kind of like opens up.
Tomatoes, 2?
One is
1,
enough.
okay.
Like this piece. And one onion.
I mean, your thighs look a little bit. No, I'm just kidding. I know how sensitive women are.
We're just trying to make sure that just because walk isn't right.
It is like
I comment on my wife's body parts all the time. She never minds.
Onions we can do only for skin, like this. Only this
Oh,
piece
wow.
of like this.
I mean, it only hurts someone's feelings if you like think about it and you're like, I don't want to hurt your feelings. You don't want to accidentally hurt someone's feelings.
Yeah.
I like it to be like meditated, like a real decision. Like,
And direct it, you know.
yeah, like very pointed and
Intentional,
Yeah.
sharp, malicious.
Yeah, something scarred.
Something they'll never forget.
And just the outer
Watch
layers?
this. Watch
Sorry?
it.
Just the skin?
Yeah, just the skin.
You still writing down how to do all this?
Fried it.
Yep.
Is that still filling? Yeah.
Oh, look at that fire.
Somebody call 911.
This you fried with butter. So
Butter.
it's safe flavor.
We should get some pants on that. Then you can do the fire up. Well, we actually have one too.
How much butter?
Is that butter?
Piece of like this.
Okay.
Just
Like a tablespoon?
because when I come to the pool also my age is like this to start. So it's good to start this age. India, government have no job. So better you do yourself to get experience for anything, business, something. That's good. Otherwise, if you go school and after no job, so your wife killing you.
Either way.
Because Indian women, they don't work. So your wife fighting you. What you doing fucking man for your life? That's the right answer. So this tikka you put in the dish. Else with a little bit paste, with butter also. Little bit also chicken flavor just on here, and just skin slowly.
See the charge, and then take
Just skin, okay?
So you peel the tomato.
Yes. That I make for birthday surprise for you. Okay.
And that will get us back like late on the 11th, if not 12th.
That'll get you back from the morning of the 12th.
And then it would be that easy.
Yeah. And if you get back at like
Eat the mom's train.
yeah, you see what I'm saying?
I wonder if you could even take and eat. Like, I don't think you'll need the whole day.
This tomato also you use sometime. Okay. Now you will make turn from here. Start.
And then you'll just be like, all right, there's no.
Oh, you're making a flour.
Yes, for the rich flavor.
Like, because I wanted to know, like,
I think I was gonna put like that and like
For food garnishing.
Yes.
everything I need to. I'm taking back to the
We've done probably meet up in the neighborhood.
I want to go to the Lotus Temple.
The Lotus Temple. Yeah, see, that's what I thought we would explore.
Beautiful.
Yes.
He just made a tomato.
Check this out.
Beautiful.
This is for flavor only. Palak paneer. I need.
Yeah, do you like waking up to the
Okay, so now Nathan's making
Now I make
palak.
palak paneer.
Panik paneer. P-A... Oh, palik. I'm sorry.
Palak.
Yeah.
Palak. Spanish. Spanish.
Okay, so cut up.
Just for dry, very dry.
So
Water or oil?
what's the method here? So 1 cup water? 1 cup?
No, is what we need here, how much water? Because
However much you need to make
yeah, when it's going like bowl, chocolate bowl like, then is good.
how much.
Yeah, that's good. Mix now all. Yeah, when it's your whole hand stick so much, so you use dry and then make it. So this one you put outside, that side, and you charge for dry in the down.
Actually, I'm putting a little bit of like.
Put a little sexy in
I'm putting a
it.
little sass.
Yeah, put a little sexy sass in it.
The double stitching,
Wow, she's best cook. Yeah.
would be good for you.
You haven't seen Mama.
Check out his stitches on the shirt. He's the tailor. Can she see the stitches? Did you make
Oh, I just saw some sassy go in. Yes, I did.
Wow. Maybe best than me.
Better than you?
Yes, see, I'm practice. You doing before or no?
I make roti every night.
Oh, that's why you know how to make stuff. Because I
Yeah, definitely.
to make a house for now you make like chapati.
Throw it low and outside, Lex. Low and outside.
So then
So if you were going to make garlic naan, you just put garlic inside.
yes, just you pour it like before I have no piece, you put some piece in here, you like some vegetable, you find some vegetable, some ginger, and if you like
How long
some
did you
cheese,
need that for?
like this you make
think
some
10 minutes.
half naan,
Say like-
then you put cheese, stuffed cheese, then make
They say
again,
like
and
the
then
longer you
again
do it,
more.
the better.
Then
The better it is, yeah.
So cheese naan, stuff the cheese.
Did you ever put almonds?
Nuts.
We have at home we have Peshwari naan. Right? It has. It's
Sometimes also you don't use a touch here and you can change here. If like this or here, you know, you move this and this, you know. So
You know, stressful it would be to have a before Christmas.
I stayed up.
the legs going up,
You made
we
like
start to eat.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I noticed that they make completely different masala.
Zip, how was your meal?
My meal was delicious.
What did you have?
I had fried Twinkie,
Fried Twinkie,
3 Oreos,
Dipped
peanut
Oreos.
butter,
Fried Oreos.
and
Oreos dipped in lard
some vodka.
and some vodka. Happy birthday. Fat lush. You should be dying in the next 24 hours from clogged arteries.
Hopefully.
Seriously, what did you have?
Seriously, I had palak paneer, except for I didn't eat the paneer, I just had the palak.
Why didn't you have any paneer?
Because I'm not into paneer, I'm into palak.
Ah.
I had chicken tikka masala. I had chow mein. I had Indian style fried rice. I had naan. And I had a great time with my family.
And butter chicken.
Butter chicken. Did you have butter chicken? Bitches, hell out! Your fave.